Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my YouTube students. You are watching Amber's Mathsmania. Today we are going to discuss completing square method step by step. We know that a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square, and a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square. So whenever we are having this type of expression, the open form of a plus b whole square, we can write it down as a plus b whole square. And if we are having such type of expression, a square minus 2ab plus b square, then we can write it down as a minus b whole square. Here we are having the question 3x square plus 4x minus 15 is equal to 0. First step is to move this constant to the other side of the equation. If we are going to add 15 over there, this will be cancelled. So I am having 3x square plus 4x is equal to 15. This was the first step. And in the second step, I have to convert this leading coefficient into 1. What I am going to do, I have to divide all terms by 3. This will be cancelled. So it will be 1x square plus 4 upon 3x is equal to 3 5s are 15. So it will be is equal to 5. In the third step, you have to see what is the coefficient of x. You just have to concentrate on the coefficient of x, that is 4 by 3. You have to take half of that coefficient. Like if it is 4 upon 3 and you have to take half of this, so it will be 2 ones are and 2 twos are 4. It will be 2 by 3. In the very next step, I am going to add square of this on the both side of equation. Here I have added the square of this on the both side of equation. In the fourth step, we can write it down x 2 by 3 whole square. That sign comes over there as well. X plus 2 by 3 whole square is equal to 5 plus 4 upon 9. This would be 5 by 1. If we are going to take LCM of 5 upon 1 is equal to 4 upon 9. So simply what you are going to do, you have to cross multiply these both. 2 9 5s are 45 plus 4 1s are 4 divided by 9, and LCM of 9 and 1 is 9. So it will be 49 upon 9. So I can write it down as 49 upon 9. In the fifth step, I have to take square root of x plus 2 by 3 whole square. As square and square root undo each other, it would be written as 7 square by 3 square. X plus 2 upon 3 is equal to plus minus 7 upon 3. So I can write it down, x is equal to plus minus 7 upon 3 minus 2 upon 3. It is written as positive 7 upon 3 minus 2 upon 3, and x is equal to minus 7 upon 3 minus 2 upon 3. So it will be x is equal to 3 will be the LCM, and then 7 minus 2, it will be 5 upon 3 positive, and here it goes minus 7 upon 3 minus 2 by 3. So minus 9 upon 3. 3 3s are 9, x is equal to minus 3. We are having two solutions for x. These are 5 upon 3 and minus 3. So I can write it down, solution set is equal to minus 3 and 5 upon 3. 3 and 5 upon 3 is the solution set of this equation. Let's take a quick review of completing square method. You have to move this constant on the other side of the equation. On the left hand side you will be having x square and x, and the constant term you have to move on the other side of the equation. You have to take half of the coefficient of x and have to take square of that half and add it on the both sides of the equation. You have to write it down, this and this term, and in between this sign take square root on both sides to undo that square. Isolate x, and afterwards you will be having two solutions for x. So this is so simple. I hope you have understood, and you can do questions by using this 5-step technique. These are only 5 steps, and after doing these 5 steps you can have your solution set. So thank you very much. I hope you have understood. Stay blessed, keep smiling, and Allah Hafiz.